A simple traffic stop turns into a full-blown meltdown when this driver keeps shouting, "I'm a CEO," calls a female deputy a bully, and then does the one thing you never do during a stop. He takes off. From that moment on, everything escalates fast. Watch the moment he pulls off, because that decision changes the entire case. This starts as a routine traffic stop. Until the driver makes it personal, the deputy asks for documents and tells him to put the drink down. He doesn't comply. He labels her a bully.
A bully. And I don't like woman bullies. Period.
Where are you headed today, sir?
I'm going to my doctor client. Ma'am?
According to the deputy, he passed in a no-passing area. Twice. The driver insists he's allowed to do it. But while they argue right versus wrong, the stop itself is already starting to spiral.
I need your registration.
I'll take my sweet time.
It's fine.
You bully me, you're done.
So you don't know why you don't know why I stopped you?
What?
You don't know why?
What?
I'm asking you.
I have no idea why
Okay.
it's that.
Because you're passing in a no passing, sir.
No,
Twice
I
you did.
middle lane.
No, sir. No, sir, it's not.
apologize.
It's a breakdown
Delray
lane,
Beach.
yellow.
In Delray Beach, you're
No,
allowed to pass.
not in Florida.
Delray Beach.
Is in Florida, sir.
Yeah.
You are not allowed to pass on a double solid yellow line or double solid breakdown line, sir. You did
Instead
it
of handing
twice.
over paperwork,
I gave you the
he
pass
shifts
on
the
the
focus
first
to
one,
emotion.
and then you did
"You're
it
bullying me," to slow everything down.
Doesn't matter, sir. I need your
gonna
registration,
give me a
please, sir.
warning or a ticket?
I need your registration, please,
Give
sir.
you everything.
Okay.
All right? I gave
Still
my
live on.
reg-
I need your registration,
Ma'am,
please, sir.
Miss Hines, please
Registration,
behave.
sir.
Do not
I
bully
am
me.
behaving,
Do not
sir.
bully me.
Do not
Do
raise
not
your voice
bully
at
me.
me, sir.
Do not bully
I've
me.
asked you
You're bullying me.
several
You're
times
bullying me.
for your registration,
Over-
sir, and your insurance.
Okay. You're bullying me.
Okay.
I don't like you. I really don't like you. Because you're not a good officer.
And then the classic status shield appears. "I'm a CEO." The message is clear. He wants special treatment.
I got them in my wallet.
So when the little yellow sticker comes on, sir,
Ma'am, just don't tell me what to do.
trying to help you find
No,
paperwork, sir.
I have everything here. I'm a CEO. I'm retired. I work part-time. It's hot. It's frustrating when people do 30 or 20 miles an hour. I'm sorry, ma'am. When they are going on a 40-mile-an-hour speed limit, doing 20 miles an hour, you can't. Here you go, ma'am.
Okay,
That's
so
my
you're
insur-
handing me your
that's
cell
my
phone.
insurance.
This is where it crosses into something uglier. He starts leaning into sexist comments.
Here you go.
At this point, it's not just frustration. He's escalating on purpose.
Put your cell phone back, sir. I don't want to
Don't
hold
just
on
drop
to
it. Hand it to me.
You were looking
just
for paperwork.
Did that?
No,
I saw
sir,
you.
I did not. It's on camera. I did not, sir. I placed it down on
Well,
your
why don't you
hat.
just give it to me? Like a
Because you're
woman
looking for
should.
information.
Like a woman
So,
should give the phone to
Can I get your
a man.
registration, please, sir?
You know what? You're dealing with the wrong man.
Okay,
I'm a
sir.
CEO.
Okay.
I'm intelligent. I have the best attorneys in the world.
All right,
and
sir.
you're messing with the
Okay,
wrong
sir.
human being.
He can't produce a current registration, only an old one, and tells the deputy to check it yourself. She steps back to process the stop, and that's when the twist hits.
You can tell if my car's registered. Go home. Go,
So you don't
go
have
back
your
to the car.
registration with you?
I have my
Okay,
registration
can
with
I
me.
please have it, sir? You're supposed to provide it.
You're a fucking bitch. That's what you are. There it is. That's the old one. That's the old one. From my,
Do you have
where
a
I bought
current
it
one,
from.
sir?
You can tell if I'm registered. You know what?
Do you have the current one,
I
sir?
can't find it.
Okay, so you're
I
telling
can't
me you don't
find it.
have your current
I
one. You're not
can't
going to look
find
through
it.
the. Okay.
One more time. I can't find it.
Okay. So is everything good with your license, sir? It's not suspended
I
for
have
any
0
reason?
points, bitch.
So
This is
your
the
license
moment
is not
everything
suspended?
changes.
Okay.
You do not drive away during a traffic stop. From here on out, it's no longer just a traffic ticket. It becomes a safety situation. Deputies locate him at a convenience store. He claims he's sick and needs medicine, wants a hospital, while officers focus on the bigger issue. He left the stop and won't follow commands. Notice his two repeat buttons, CEO and hospital. One is power, one is an exit.
Ma'am, I'm sick.
Now!
Ma'am, I'm sick. I'm sick.
me one more
I'm
time.
sick. I'm sick.
Get
I'm
on
sick.
the ground.
Ma'am,
Put
I'm
your
sick.
hands behind your
I'll
back.
put it behind my
now.
back. I'm sick. Oh my God, you're gonna be in trouble. I'm gonna sue you for everything you got. I will sue you for everything you got.
Show me 1015.
All I did is pull over here so I can get some medicine. I need medicine, man. Oh man, you're in trouble.
10:15.
You're in trouble. I need medicine. Take me to the hospital. Take me to the hospital.
You're gonna stop.
Medicine. There's something wrong with her.
He starts yelling for help and accuses the deputy of being brutal. Officers keep issuing simple commands, sit down, feet in, because they're treating this like active resistance.
Ma'am, I'm a CEO. Oh my God, she's checking my pockets. You take any money out of my wallet, you're done. Call the head sheriff. Please, call the head sheriff. Call the head sheriff. Please, call the head sheriff. I'm sick. Wait till you find out how sick I am. Here, man. Here,
Stop moving. You're gonna end up on the ground. Do you understand me?
Help! 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 Can I have a sheriff, please? Another sheriff, please. I want another sheriff, please. No, please! Another sheriff! Oh my God! Oh my God! She's killing me!
This becomes a tug of war. They need him secured. He keeps bargaining. Another sheriff. I'm sick. Anything but compliance.
Hold on. I want another sheriff here.
Have a
All I
seat.
want is another sheriff.
Have a
here.
seat.
I'm hurting!
Have a
Man,
seat.
You're killing me!
Sit down.
I'm sitting.
Put your feet in now.
I can't.
Put
Ma'am.
your feet in
Ma'am,
now.
I want to see another sheriff. That's all I want to see. I just
Put
want to see another sheriff. I have my
your
right.
feet in.
I will put it in, but I want to see another
Now.
sheriff. Can't you answer me?
Now.
Can you answer me? Can I have another sheriff?
Is this another resisting charge,
No.
sir? Then get your butt in the car now.
You're hurting me.
I'm not.
I'm
Get in the car.
I am so sick you can't imagine. I'm going to
Get
the hospital.
in the car.
I'm going to the hospital.
Now.
Can I see another sheriff?
10-4.
Oh my God.
Put your feet in.
I have to go to the hospital. I have to. I'm very ill. Man, you're going to get Lawson. You're going to get a Lawson. You're going to suffer. You have no fucking...
Maybe you should have thought about that before you drove away from the traffic stop.
10 times. 10 times. Go to the hospital. I want to go to the hospital. I want to go to the hospital. I want to go to the hospital.
Here the deputy tells another officer what she's dealing with. Hostility, revving the engine, and a clear disrespect for female officers.
We were right out on Savannah, right? He kept revving his engine.
Yeah.
Does not like females whatsoever.
That's why I started. That's why I came back.
So I started, I'm writing my tickets, right? I'm on getting ready on the second one. He hauls butt into here, parks right there. I haul butt into here. He goes to walk in. I said, I knocked the drink out of his hand, and I went hands-on with him, so I'm like, I'm done. He was resisting. Just stay in your car.
Even with another officer present, his script stays the same. CEO, hospital, lawsuit.
Sit up.
I want to go to the hospital.
Sit up.
Shut up! I want to go to the hospital. I want to go to the hospital. I can't sit up.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Step out.
Can I go to the hospital,
No,
please?
step out.
Why? I'm in pain, sir.
Move.
You don't understand.
Don't move.
I have nothing on me. I'm a CEO. I don't know why this whole thing happened. Check me out, Richard, CEO Medical Technologies Group. Why are you doing this to me? This never happens in Palm Beach County. Never. Never. I have no weapons. I have no nothing. I'm a sick man. I'm a sick
Here's the
man,
critical
sir.
point. Whatever the original traffic violation was, the major escalation comes from leaving the stop and refusing commands afterward.
Ma'am, I want to go to the hospital. I'm sick. I can't believe this. I cannot believe this. There's going to be a big lawsuit. There's going to be a huge lawsuit.
Listen, we'll get you.
I got to go to the hospital.
Okay, we'll get you.
I want to lock
section.
my car up and go to the hospital. Please, sir.
You're under arrest, so.
But I did nothing wrong. I want to go to the hospital. I'm very sick.
Spread your legs.
Sir, you're hurting me. You're hurting me.
No, I gotta pat you down, make sure you.
I have nothing. I'm the CEO.
Oh, that's good.
You know what? I think you're finished.
Thank you.
You too.
Thank you.
You two are finished.
Thank you.
You know why? Because I told her I was sick and she didn't listen, so I came in here to get medicine. There's medicine that helps me that they sell here.
What is it called?
It's called generic Tylenol. It's like very high dose Tylenol.
Okay, have a seat.
I can't, sir.
All right.
I want to go to the hospital, sir.
Have a seat, or I'm gonna put you in there.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can I go to the hospital, please?
Okay. If you need
Mr.
medical
Appler,
attention, we'll get you
Mr.
attention.
Appler, can
We'll
I
get you
go
the attention
to?
you need, but have a seat.
You want to know something?
Have a seat.
In this would never, sir. This would never happen in Palm Beach County ever, ever.
On the way in, he keeps pressing for names, throwing insults and threatening lawsuits, especially toward the female deputy.
What hospital are we going to? Ma'am, what hospital are we going to? I'm recording this whole thing. What hospital are we going to, ma'am? Ah! Drive carefully, bitch! You got these cuffs on so tight.
Officers explain they have procedures to follow first. He insists he's in medical distress and claims he's being ignored.
I calmed down.
No, sir,
Ma'am,
you
ma'am,
did not. You were
you're gonna
constantly
lose your job.
resisting me, sir.
I have a very severe illness.
Okay.
You don't listen to me. What is wrong with you?
Well, I've heard everything that you've said, sir.
You want to bet? They're going to check my records right now, and I'm going to have you fired. I swear to God, I'm going to have you fired. This is not a hospital. I want to speak to the sheriff. I'm a CEO, but understand, I have to go to the hospital.
We're going to have a nurse come out.
Okay.
You stay in the car. Nurse is going to come out. We're going to check you out.
Please.
Okay?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, sweetie. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
It would prove that I'm a very sick human
Okay,
being.
listen to me. For record, case number is 2022. I'm sorry.
Just write it down for me.
2023.
I can't remember. Write it down for me.
And now we get a curveball. They begin a DUI investigation and offer a breath test. This is where a lot of viewers will rethink what they just watched.
Richard for resisting arrest.
Yes, ma'am.
Because I pulled into a 7-Eleven to get my medicine.
Okay, sir, I'll give you an opportunity to talk.
Okay.
So the
Okay, then can I go to the hospital once you find out I'm not
Once we're
drunk?
done with this, yes.
Okay.
His result comes back at 0.028, below the per se limit. But under the limit doesn't erase the other issues on video, driving off and resisting commands.
Sure, call my attorney and have him call Schneider.
And sir, do you want to know your results?
Yes, I would like to know my results.
Your first breath sample is 0.028, and then
I
your
had
second,
Tito's last night.
Okay, listen, and then your second breath sample is 0.0.
So the real question becomes, what happens next? And does CEO actually help him at all?
Thank you.
Do you have any questions?
Alright, now that you've seen the full body cam, I know what a lot of you are thinking. If you blew a .028, why is this still a big deal? Hold that thought, because that's the trap in this story. In the next couple minutes, I'll point out the 3 moments that turn this from a traffic stop into cuffs, towing, and a full investigation. Here's the entire timeline in 4 chapters. Chapter 1. A deputy stops him for multiple traffic violations, centered on an alleged illegal pass in a no-passing area, and the deputy says it happened twice. Chapter 2. Instead of cooperating, the driver stalls on paperwork, repeatedly calls the deputy a bully, and escalates with status and gender-based insults. I'm a CEO. Chapter 3. While the deputy steps away to process the stop, he makes the worst choice possible. He drives off. Chapter 4. Officers find him at a convenience store. He claims he needs medicine and a hospital, but officers are now dealing with a much bigger problem: leaving the stop, refusing commands, and resisting during detention, followed by a DUI investigation and a breath test. Let's break this down neutrally, no team sports. From the driver's side, he runs two main plays. 1. Authority play. I'm a CEO, I know people, I have attorneys, I'll sue. 2. Medical escape hatch. I'm sick, I need medicine, take me to the hospital. Different angles, same goal: pressure officers into changing how they handle him. From law enforcement side, you see three priorities. 1. Control the scene, documents, commands, compliance. 2. Address the violation, even if the driver argues it. 3. Once he drives off, safety first, because now they don't know where he's going or what he's doing. Here are the three moments that decide the entire outcome. Moment number 1. The paperwork stall. Instead of license, registration, insurance, it becomes a personal fight. Stalling increases tension, and tension makes everything stricter. Moment number 2, the biggest. He leaves the traffic stop. That single choice flips the situation from civil citation to non-compliance and safety risk. Moment number 3, the resistance pattern. Even after being located, he argues, refuses, bargains, and fights the process while yelling hospital and lawsuit. Officers interpret that as active non-compliance. And now the twist. 0.028. All that really means is, it's below the per se threshold for alcohol intoxication in many jurisdictions, often 0.08. But it does not mean you can drive away from a stop, refuse lawful commands, or resist detention. So yes, 0.028 can weaken one lane of the narrative, but it doesn't erase the other lane the camera captured. There's also a small detail that matters. He says he didn't drink, then later admits he had drinks the night before. That doesn't prove a crime by itself, but it does show a mindset. He's talking to win, not talking to resolve. And that mindset is the real engine of escalation here. Every time officers try to pull it back to procedure, he pulls it back to ego, status, and personal attacks. Lesson 1 is simple. You can believe you're right about the law and still lose the situation because of how you handle the stop. A traffic stop isn't a courtroom. The clean path is hand over documents, accept the citation, dispute it later through the proper channel. Turning it into, "Do you know who I am?" almost always makes officers tighten procedure, and Bodycam catches everything. Lesson 2 is more nuanced, the medical claim. He may genuinely feel sick. That's possible, but when "I need a hospital" is paired with insults, threats, and refusal to comply, officers may interpret it as a tactical excuse instead of a clear medical request. If you truly need medical attention during a stop, the most effective approach is short, specific statements, calm tone, compliance with safety commands first, request EMS evaluation. The contradiction, "help me while I fight you," usually makes everything worse. Lesson 3 is the message this video is built around. Status doesn't override procedure. The camera is the real authority here. The more he repeats, "I'm a CEO," the more it reads like, rules are for other people. And that's exactly the kind of behavior Bodycam audiences react to the hardest. Now, I want to ask you something, because this is where people split. If you were the officer and the driver leaves the stop then says, "I only pulled in for medicine," do you A. prioritize medical first, handle legal after, B. secure cuff first, then deal with medical, C. decide based on cooperation on scene? Comment A, B, or C. I want to see where you land. If you like breakdowns that keep it neutral, follow the timeline, and let the footage speak, hit like and subscribe. And the next case is even wilder, a minor stop that turns into a twist nobody expects. Because in Bodycam stories, it's rarely about who knows the law better. It's usually about who can control their ego and who can't. See you in the next one.